Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Come on video, guys.
Yes, yes.
Juhi, Zubair. Who is Dean? I don't think we have any Dean. Do we have Dean? Who is Dean?
That's Nuruddin.
Oh, Niruddin. Okay, you guys are together. Juhi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
So we'll just, I believe Henrietta has to join, Vincent has to join, Sneha has to join, Roland has to join, Martin has to join. I don't know, maybe they are starting next week with the main classes. But either way, I just wanted to welcome you guys to the course. I normally do this intro class or introductions because it's good to know each other. There are total of, I believe, close to 14 folks on this batch in the month of January. You will get a few emails between tomorrow and the next Tuesday. So don't panic. If you see a lot of emails, we try to space it out at least once a day. We send you something that you need to go through. Probably you'll get a calendar for the whole course starting from 24th, and you'll also get the how to view the modules videos, so that you can go through those videos to understand how to kind of get into the LMS system, learning management system. I believe you guys already have access to all those things, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now who is this devil with the three things? Who is it? Sabah? Okay. So, oh, here you go. I need to give time to people. Henrietta, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Super. So this is, try to be on videos as much as you can. It's good to keep a face to, relate a face to your name. From next class, you don't need to do it today if you don't want to. It's up to you. Yeah, be on the cam. I'm going to take a picture to see how it looks. Boom. Good. All right, cool. So let me take one more. All right. So so what I was talking to you was, let us go around the room, talk about, tell me your name, location, and educational qualification, and who referred you, or how did you come to know about us? Juhi, you want to go first?
Yes. So I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I'm Juhi Patel, and I'm a physical therapist. And I was referred by Krupa, and I did my doctorate in PT and have been working since last 5 years.
Awesome. Nuruddin, you want to go next?
Yes, Nuruddin Afalabi, from Chicago, Illinois. I'm a doctor of nursing practice, and I still work at critical care specialist at Advocate Health in Chicago.
Awesome. Henrietta.
Hi, everybody. My name is Henrietta, or Henrietta, whichever one is comfortable for you. That's the British pronunciation, Henrietta. So I've been a pharmacist for over 10 years. Right now I work mainly in retail, and I'm hoping to transition, and I was referred by Kwame.
Nuruddin, you got referred by Zubair, right?
Yes, yes.
Awesome. Zubair. Zubair, can you speak? Is he? You're on mute if you're speaking. I think he's not able to. Sabah, go ahead.
Yeah, hi everybody. My name is Sabah. I'm from Parlin, New Jersey. I am a BCom computers graduate, and I am looking to work in future, so that's why I'm here.
Awesome. All right, guys, we're going to have more people. I know you're driving, so don't worry. I don't want you to hit anyone because I know how it feels. I had a minor car accident on Jan 2nd. Why am I doing this on recording, which is on YouTube tomorrow? I don't know. So anyways, so let's get into this introduction. So what we're going to do, guys, is this. This course, as I keep mentioning it to you from the webinar, is for job placement. It's nothing more, nothing less. So I really want you guys to focus on getting to doing what is critically important. And I'm not going to talk much. It's going to be less than 15 minutes call today. But what I'm going to say is something that I have learned through experience, mentoring students in pharmacovigilance, doing all these courses and stuff. So one thing that I want you to commit is to attend the live classes as much as possible with complete attention without fail. If you can give yourself the 2 hours a week and just understand as much as you can in the initial 1 or 2 weeks of the course, understand as much as you can, and then keep moving into the third, fourth, fifth weeks, it becomes easier. So I want you to commit to that, because it's very easy to say that, oh, these are all recorded, so it is going to be on my LMS system tomorrow, so I'm going to watch the recording. Yes, you can do that, but I believe the way that you guys are in right now, not able to distract yourself with many things, it gives you a better perspective when you are attending live classes. What do you think? Right? So please make it a point. This is only one thing. I'm not going to say even the second thing. That's why this is very important. Make every attempt on a weekly basis, block out the time. 7 to 8 Eastern is class time. Block it out, be in the class, attend the class, understand as much as you can. That's one thing. And the second thing is, as I said, there are a lot of email communications coming your way. This year, we are very much committed, and I would say last year we had phenomenal growth. I think we trained around close to 240 students, and we were able to place 174. So that's a very big number for us. And this year, with you guys starting the batch this month, you will be in the market pretty much in the month of April, if you know that. So you have to pace yourself in such a way that you complete the classes. We'll go through all those things in the videos that you're going to listen. I'm not going to bore you right now. So go through the emails as they come from tomorrow. I believe every day you're going to get one email. There are 4 emails you're going to get with some videos and how to watch the LMS system, how to watch the recorded versions, how the course is divided. There are some self-learning modules, there are some core modules, there are modules which are just only for learning sake. It may not be even be in the interview. So I'll describe all those things in those videos, so that watch those videos before you get into the class on 24th. If you cannot, watch it when you can, but do make an attempt to watch them. It becomes easier, and we'll start our classes on 24th. Okay. Any questions? Anything that I can assist you guys? So Henrietta, this is no and this is yes. That's
Yes. So
that,
no, not, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, you said. So pretty much wait for tomorrow for the emails, and then follow directions. Attend all classes to the best of your ability. Yes.
yes. Thank you for summary. But let's get connected next week, Tuesday, guys. Okay.
Abhishek, how many videos you said?
I believe there are 4 emails you're supposed to get.
4 emails. Okay.
You might have already got 2 of them with access and some DocuSign and all those things. So maybe there are 2 more.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, guys. I'll see you next
Thank
Tuesday.
you very much.
I was asking about the videos you were talking
Yeah,
about.
there are 2 videos.
Okay.
They'll be emailed tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, Niruddin.